Welcome. Tonight, we enter a practice known as NSDR, non-sleep deep rest, spoken of in neuroscience, yet rooted in ancient yogic traditions. Its gift is simple: to guide you into a state where your body repairs, your mind resets, and your whole being feels restored, without needing to fall fully asleep. You may use this practice in many ways: to recharge in the middle of the day, to prepare for restful sleep at night, or even to find calm if you've awakened at 3 a.m. and cannot drift back. Wherever you are, however you come to this practice, you are welcome here. Lie down comfortably, close your eyes, and let these words carry you. Take a long, steady inhale through the nose. Hold it softly at the top. And exhale slowly through the mouth. Each breath in, calm energy. Each breath out, release of the day. Another deep inhale, filling the belly, filling the chest. And release. Feel yourself sink deeper. Notice the points of contact: head, shoulders, arms, legs. Supported, carried, safe. Bring awareness now to the forehead. Feel the skin soften, smoothing with ease. Let the eyes rest heavily, safe in their sockets. The tiny muscles around them unwinding, releasing. Allow the jaw to relax. Unclench the teeth. Let the tongue rest gently at the floor of the mouth. Notice the neck and throat. With each breath, warmth flows through, loosening and opening this space. Let the shoulders drop away from the ears. Imagine them sinking, melting down into the support beneath. Arms heavy now, drifting into stillness, all the way to the fingertips, warm and soft. Notice the chest, rising and falling gently, the rhythm of breath steady and calm, the belly soft, released, free of holding. Hips wide, grounded, supported completely. Awareness flows down the legs, thighs softening, knees unburdened, calves loosening, shins at rest. Ankles light, feet warm, toes gentle and free. From head to toe, your entire body is softened, held, supported, safe, Now imagine a golden light above you, soft, warm, glowing with ease. With each inhale, it descends gently, washing through the crown of your head, quieting thought. With each exhale, it expands, surrounding you like a cocoon of calm. See yourself floating on a calm sea, the water perfectly still, reflecting the vast sky above. You are weightless here, effortless, completely supported. Waves rise and fall beneath you, slow and steady. Each swell lifts you a little higher. Each dip carries you deeper into rest. The water knows exactly how to hold you. As you drift, your body feels lighter. Edges blur, boundaries dissolve. You are not separate from the water, not separate from the sky. You are part of the rhythm itself, rising, falling, endlessly at ease. Above, stars begin to shine, countless, infinite, gentle. Each one a reminder of how vast and spacious the universe is, and in this endless expanse, you are safe. You are held. You belong. Now, release all effort. Allow body, breath, and thought to dissolve. There is only awareness, floating in space. Thoughts may drift through. Notice them softly, like clouds moving across a wide sky. No need to chase them. No need to resist them. They move on their own. Come back to this truth. You are resting, deeply, fully. Here, your nervous system restores itself. Your body repairs. Your mind finds clarity. Your spirit discovers peace. And within this stillness, hear these reminders. You are safe. You are supported. You are enough. You are resting now. Slowly, bring awareness back to the breath, the gentle rise, the gentle fall. Feel the surface beneath you once again. Know that you can return to this practice whenever you need, midday for energy, at night for calm, or even in the still hours when sleep feels far away. If you wish to drift into sleep, remain right here. If you wish to return, gently move your fingers, your toes. Take one last deep breath in and a long, slow exhale. Carry this quiet with you. Carry this ease. You are rested. You are whole.